Halima from class 3rd. Today we are here together to celebrate 76th Independence Day. To let remember to our national leader one by one. Thank you.
Sorry, इसका
Assalamu alaikum to all of you. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us equal talent, great dreams of great dreamers are always transcended. Jai Hind. I am Maulana Azad. I am leader of Khilafat movement and I am first education minister of India. Thank you. Jai Hind. My name is Lakshmi. I am the queen of Jhansi and the warrior too. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. Thank you. कदम कदम बढ़ाएगा, खुशी के गीत गाएगा. जिंदगी है कौम की, कौम पे लुटाएगा. जय हिंद. My name is Subhash Chandra Bose. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. Thank you. Jai Hind. I am Mohandas Kalam Gandhi. People call me the father of nation. Ramat bolo, Ramat suno, Ramat dekho. Thank you. I can do things you cannot. You can do things I cannot. Together we can do great things. My name is Mother Teresa. I am social worker. I am known as to all the world for the kind of man person. Thank you. It is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. Jai Hind. My name is Dr. APJ Abul Kalam. I am 11th President of India. I am also known as Missile Man of India. Thank you. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है. देखना है दूर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है. जय हिंद. I am Bhagat Singh. I am freedom fighter of India. Inqilab Zindabad. Inqilab Zindabad. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. My name is Sorojini Naidu. I am known as Nightingale of India. Thank you. Jai Hind. My name is Jawahar Nehru. I am the first Prime Minister of India. Children call me Tata Nehru because I love children. Thank you. Jai Hind. My name is Indira Gandhi. I am first woman Prime Minister of India. People call me Iron Lady of India. My slogan is Gandhi Hatao. Jai Hind.
सिंगल लो सिंगल इसका भी लो. क्या?
Jai Hind. I am the Akbar King of the Mughal Empire. People call me the Akbar King. Jai Hind. I am the Akbar King of the Mughal Empire. People call me the Akbar King of the Akbar. talented and outstanding